Arugula benefits, healthier steps. Arugula might be considered an exotic green in some areas of the world, but it's surprisingly common here in the US, and you've probably had it without even knowing. What is arugula? Arugula, also known as garden rocket, rucola, arugula, or Italian cress, is a lesser-known green cruciferous vegetable with a distinctive tart, spicy, and peppery flavor that gets more bitter with time. The peppery little leaves are chock full of nutrients, vitamins, and minerals similar to cruciferous vegetables, including kale, cauliflower, broccoli, and Brussels sprouts. Arugula is often eaten raw as a salad green, especially in spring salad mixes, but can also be enjoyed cooked in different recipes. Incredible arugula benefits. It may protect your heart. Cruciferous vegetables are generally known to offer heart protective benefits, and arugula is no different. It's high in heart-healthy nutrients, including folate, vitamin C, and K. These improve heart health and prevent cardiovascular conditions. In one meta-analysis, vitamin C supplementation of 500 mg for at least 4 weeks in patients with high cholesterol showed a reduction in triglyceride and LDL cholesterol. However, there was no significant increase in HDL cholesterol. Low LDL cholesterol and triglycerides are greatly associated with a lowered risk of heart disease. Promotes eye health. Arugula is rich in protective carotenoid antioxidants, including beta-carotene, lutein, and zeaxanthine. This helps protect against macular degeneration, a common cause of blindness in old age. Studies have also shown that lutein and zeaxanthine may protect your eyes against blue light damage. Improves digestion. Like other leafy greens, arugula is high in fiber, which helps prevent constipation, clean out the colon, improve bowel movements, and promote the absorption of nutrients. It's also an alkaline food that can help restore your body's optimal function and improve the immune system. Controls blood pressure. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, nearly half of the adults in the United States have high blood pressure. Only 1 in every 4 of these individuals have their blood pressure under control. Including leafy greens in your diet, such as arugula, can increase your potassium intake. This eases tension in your blood vessels, causing blood pressure to drop. Also, the more potassium you consume in food, then the more sodium you lose. In addition, arugula is high in nitrates, chemicals that help relax blood vessels and lower blood pressure. Prevent diabetes and its complications. According to the National Diabetic Statistics Report, over 1 in 10 Americans have diabetes, while 1 in every 3 has prediabetes. With type 2 diabetes being a lifestyle disease, what you eat plays an important role in managing it. According to research to determine the anti-diabetic activity of arugula, they found that consuming arugula leaf extract improved insulin response and lower hyperglycemia, which is key in the treatment and management of diabetes. Arugula may also play an important role in preventing diabetes complications. The leaves contain glucosinolate compounds, which prevent the chemical reaction leading to age formation. AGEs, advanced glycation end products, are harmful compounds that form due to high blood glucose levels experienced in diabetes. These compounds have been linked to kidney disease, cataracts, Alzheimer's disease, and nerve disorders. It may promote healthy bones. According to a study published in Nutrition Research, adding more leafy greens like arugula to your diet may help protect you from age-related bone loss. Arugula is rich in vitamin K, which is essential for bone health. Arugula is a great source of vitamin K, with a cup providing up to 21.8 micrograms. Vitamin K is essential for the activation of proteins essential for mineralization and bone formation. This helps increase bone density and lowers the risk of fractures and osteoporosis. Arugula is good for your skin.
Arugula is high in vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that can neutralize free radicals that may cause cell damage.
This cell damage can lead to premature signs of aging, such as wrinkles and fine lines. If you're not pregnant but want to avoid mood swings, try including arugula in your diet. How to use arugula. The slightly peppery taste works especially well with cream sauces, tomato-based dishes, and creamy kinds of pasta like macaroni or fettuccine. If you're looking for an extra hit of flavor, sauté it in olive oil before adding it to your dish. Even if you're not a fan of arugula on its own, the super strong flavor of arugula goes wonderfully well with raw veggies and makes for some excellent crunch in salads. Final thoughts. More health benefits articles.